Want your Canva designs to look cleaner and more professional? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make two images the same size in Canva. An easy way to keep your designs consistent and visually balanced. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have Canva open with your project on the screen. Once your design is ready, locate the two images you want to resize so they match perfectly. To select them both, simply click and drag your mouse around the two images. You'll see blue outlines appear around them. That's how you know they're selected and ready for editing. Selecting both at once ensures they resize together and stay identical in proportion. Now, move your attention to the top toolbar in Canva. There, you'll see a button labeled Position. Click on it. This button usually controls alignment, but it also gives you access to size adjustments. Once you've clicked it, look for the width and height boxes at the top. You'll see numbers that show the current dimensions of your selected images, often measured in pixels. Here's the trick. To make both images the same size, simply enter the exact same width and height values. Canva automatically updates both images to match. If the aspect ratio lock is turned on, Canva will keep your images proportional as you resize. But if you want full control, you can unlock that feature to enter custom dimensions freely. As soon as you apply the new measurements, both images will instantly adjust, perfectly matching in width and height. It's that simple. This technique is especially useful when designing social media graphics, presentations, or any layout that requires a uniform, polished look. Keeping your images the same size helps maintain visual balance and gives your design a more professional finish. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, you've learned how to make two images the same size in Canva. Remember, select your images together, open the position menu, and adjust those dimensions. Small tweaks like this make a big difference in keeping your designs clean and consistent. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick Canva tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy designing.